This program is what we call McDonald's Kitchen Kindness. So, program na siya sa McDonald's and Ronald McDonald's House Charity. So, it's one way of sharing foods, meals to those in needs. Especially recently lang na nag-earthquake sa North. So, we already given almost 1,000 to 500 na meals daw sa mga na affected dito sa North. Yeah. And now, naghatag sa sila for hindi lang sa katong mga affected but those sad sa mga nag-volunteer sad. It's one way of giving thanks to them.
As an employee of McDonald's, we are happy of what we are doing as willing to spread kindness, to show people their true value and of course the care that McDonald's is.